Hey, what's up, guys? Pretty crazy day. I don't know how I look. I am in a hotel right now. So hopefully, the service ain't too bad and you guys can actually hear what I'm saying. But oh, I wish I actually wait one sec. I wish I actually even have the. All right, this time we're not gonna do too much, like, I guess, interactions, because I don't think I could actually even see. Oh wait, give me 1 second. I could actually probably do this. I can log on to YouTube with my phone and see if you guys have any questions. But what we're gonna focus on today, I know that the market dumped, and again, I'm gonna go ahead and promote my platform because this is something I use while I trade, and it worked very, very well today. I mean, the market dumped, right, and we saw some sort of basing early in the morning, and I was telling my Discord server. Actually, let's look at ES because that's what I mainly trade. We saw this in the morning, and it was basing. Some people could see it as a bear flag, and I definitely saw it as a potential. But we definitely did retrace a lot, and for it to swing so wide like that is normal after volatility comes in. However, what gave me the solid go was the fact that we saw some really nice sweeps. So if we take a look at the SPY sweeps over here on callsorputs.com, the link is in the description below. Let's actually just go to potential openings. Here we see that somebody went deep, $13 million onto SPY calls for 433. And again, I go and I say the chance AI is very, very important. So obviously these two trades lost. However, this trade is very far away, and it's still a relatively small position compared to this one. And they probably made money, honestly. As you can see, we had huge whipsaws here. So they probably were able to cash out. I don't know the exact intent, and that's why you have to make sure that you base it actually off of technicals and not just sweeps. But this sweep came in at 10-12 for $13 million. So obviously that is going to be like a little, give us some curiosity. And what really caught me was the chance AI 4.5. We rarely get something that is above 1. And when we do, we pay attention to it. And the fact that this came in so high above 1, this was definitely on the watch. And this is exactly where it happened. This was 10:15. So it was around here that they got into this $13 million call. And from there, we just shot up, I believe, close. Well, ES is different, but I believe on the SPY, it was close to a $3 move. So on ES, it was a 37-point move. So we already know that's a good amount of money, especially on futures. It's $50 per point. So just do the math. That's close to at least $2,000 per lot. So this was an amazing play. Space, if any of you guys caught Space, this was an insane move again. Space, and see here, there's a put that came in end of day, but I'm not sure as if this is an opening or not, because this is the size and the volume it already traded multiple times through. But if we go here, Space, there was a call at 10:18, 47.76, and I think there's still time to go, especially when the market came down so much, and it's just recovering. I mean, Space showed extremely relative strength today. As you can see here, they went in at 10:18, spot price 47.76, chance AI 1, again, important as always. This was when they got in right here, and we have a move of over 15%. Post market is up to here right now, so a 16% move since the sweep came in. And again, that's why I say always trade with the right tools. Callsorputs.com is there for you guys if you guys want to check that out. A lot of winners. I hope nobody actually thought the market was going to continue dumping. Obviously, there should be precautions. So if you thought the market was dumping and didn't want to get into too much, obviously that's okay and it's great. But there were a lot of items hitting demand levels, like Snapchat. We knew that this thing was going to come down. We alerted puts yesterday and also on Roblox. But today we entered demand, and this was when we caught the initial move. We are in our second entry on Snap. I do think we're going to get a relief bounce. I mean, this was a projection from a while back. Obviously, this A is going to extend, but that was due to external factors. So I do think we're going to have a relief bounce for B and come back down for C before we start another impulse. The reason it came down was because we completed 5 waves, always referencing the Elliott wave theory because it's something that I am starting to learn a little more about. But we saw this move coming down, and we got in. Roblox, same thing. We said that Roblox could potentially be a bear flag, and we're going to target 82.5. If you look at our Discord, 82.5. Roblox potential 82.5. So we said short Roblox, and the target was 82, and we exactly hit 82 today. And let me see if I could find it on the options alert, just because it will go to show you guys. But anyways, Roblox was a great play. We noted the bear flag, and damn it, I don't know. All right, if I can't find it after this one, I'm gonna just move on. Oh, look, yesterday at 7:41 p.m., we said currently in puts for Roblox on the watch list, potential target 82. And today we hit 82, which was right here. And then we came back up. I didn't take the play up because I wasn't too sure of it. Like I said, this was a bear flag, so we did play the downside. But everything really recovered strong. Nokia, space option for tomorrow, head and shoulder rocket. Let's see. What time frame are you looking at, buddy? HS, RKT. I don't know. I can't really see the name on the thing, but rocket, I'm actually looking for an entry if we could tag my buy zone, which is right here at 1788. So I'm not actually going to short it. I see a potential wedge, a bullish wedge forming here after a move up. So this could either be potentially wave 2 for a correction, or this could be wave 4 of 1 where it is allowed to touch wave 1 here. It's very complex. There's the Elliott wave theory. If you guys don't know what it is, you could definitely check it out on Corneck Trades on Twitter. He's really good. I'm learning from him as well. But again, I'm not going to touch it unless we get this 17.88 level. However, there is a trade I want to talk to you guys about, Gores. Gores Guggenheim. I don't know much about this. I was just told that Volvo and Polestar, the electric vehicle side of Volvo, is going to potentially merge with this company. I got in today. I got, I believe, 500 shares of GGPI. The warrants itself skyrocketed, and that could potentially be really good for the commons. It went up 135% today, which is a lot. The underlying shares only went up, I believe it was 5% from the lows. But if you guys trade SPACs, you guys already know there's certain rules that SPACs have to follow. And I think we're pretty early on this. I mean, CCIV is trading currently, I believe, at a $6.5 billion valuation. It has not moved yet, but I believe the merger is supposed to happen soon. And if CCIV could trade at 6.5 billion market valuation, and this is only trading at 1 billion valuation right now, I do think that we have a lot of room to run, especially when even stock twits don't have it yet. Like if you go on stock twits and look up GGPI, it's not there yet. And you guys already know there's a lot of noobs on stock twits that would pump this like crazy. Again, who knows what exactly is going to happen. I only took 500 shares. There are certain rules of SPACs that, like that it can't, unless after a certain amount of time, it wouldn't really necessarily go under $10. Obviously, you shouldn't base your trade off of something like that, but it's a risk I'm willing to take. I do think that we have a sympathy play with CCIV's merger. Fight for right. When are you making that video on supply and demand? I am gonna make it soon, but as you can see right here, I am at the hotel, so I don't have my microphone and I don't have my regular tools with me, so I'm not gonna make it. I come back Saturday night, so I'll probably do it then. Space options for tomorrow. I don't think I mean, I do think that there will. This is for August, and it's already up a lot. Again, I don't know if this person's still in it. I know this is an opening since there was more volume than open interest. But I would say look at the option chain, see if this person still has his position open. But it does look good. Space does look good. If you look at the daily chart, it's been whipping. I don't know why it's whipsawing so much, honestly. But we are. This is all-time high. Yeah, we are near all-time highs, and this is potentially a flag. And we're sitting right above the 20-day DMA. So I do think that we, and excuse my plotting because I have this mouse right here, which is terrible. But I do potentially think this is a flag here, and we're doing it right next to all-time highs. So I think there's a huge potential that it will continue higher. GGPI, yes, that is the ticker. Not sure if it's on all brokerages yet, since I believe it's relatively new. Actually, it's not that new, but it recently just gained traction. So even off of a volatility play, I do think we have some room to run here. I'm sure it's popping up on people's scanner after having drastic volume compared to the whole 2 months that it was going. Yeah, so Duke KK, you said Richard Branson is going to space this Sunday. Well, I hope he comes back down, first of all. But again, this could be a run up into him going into space. But then again, you got to be careful. You could potentially play it tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday. But if he's going on Sunday, we don't know if it's going to be a sell the news type of thing. So you don't want to remember what happened to Dogecoin. I hate Dogecoin, but and I've never really got into it. But it was a epic sell the news type of thing. It could come down crashing. Who knows? Take your money when you can. If you do get into it tomorrow, I do think that it's gonna run again tomorrow. Just because, like you said, I didn't even know this since I'm solely a technical trader. But apparently Richard Branson's going on Sunday. I don't know if it's this Sunday or next Sunday, but make sure take profits when you can, or at least scale out if you are in profit and just hold some runners. Nokia. Wow, people actually still, this company is still alive. Jesus Christ. Oh, just so that you guys, again, if we call out any plays and it actually works out, make sure to tune in every Thursday at 6 p.m. That's the new schedule. We called this Tesla short. I think last week Thursday, we called this Tesla short. And long term, I am still bearish. I am going to buy Tesla at 418 if we ever get down there. If we don't, so be it. I don't really care. But we noted that there was, again, impulse waves are in 5s and corrections are in 3s. So we noted last Thursday on Benzinga Live that Tesla potentially finished their 5th wave on this little pop above the previous high. We said we needed another high that was higher than the previous high, which was right here. We popped a little higher off that delivery news, which was a fake out, and we shorted it because it was in supply. Everyone was like, Tesla's going to the moon, blah, blah, blah. They had so much deliveries, this and that. We saw opportunity. We saw that it was rejecting the supply level right here. And from there, Tesla came down approximately, well, if we met, let's not measure today because today was market news, came down approximately 9%. And we said it. We said that Tesla was going to come down while people were saying it's going to go to the moon. I am still bearish on it. This is still looking like a bear flag to me. unless we could get above this supply level, I don't think that I will take a Tesla call position unless, and today was a perfect example, you had some risk reward on your side, as this was the flag support, and also the market was coming back up when it was down, and Tesla had relative strength. So today was probably the only time I would have entered, but I caught Snap and Roblox instead. So no, Snap and Roku. Roku was amazing. That thing paid over 60%. Dude, thanks. No problem. Any movement on PaySafe? Yeah, PaySafe. I'm actually in some leaps for this that are down. I think approx. Oh, look. They're actually. I think they're down. Let's see. But it's a leap. So this thing is for long. As for next year, oh, it's not that far. January 2022. But right now it's down 23%. I do plan to enter PaySafe again. We got so close, but again, that's what discipline is. We have to wait until it hits the target. If we do get to this buy zone for me right here, I will go long once again. But as of right now, I don't see anything on it. 6 p.m. EST, like today. So today we started at 6 p.m. But PaySafe, yeah. Again, if it gets there, I'll get in again. But as of right now, I am already in a position that's down 23%. I'm just going to let it ride. SoFi, another one that is a huge watch for me. I do think we're going to rock it on SoFi. I think this is a great long-term investment. If it could get down here to this buy zone for me at 1556, I am going to build a larger position. As of right now, I do have a position in it. I don't have much. I only have 200 shares, and I'm selling covered calls on it every single week. So that's been working out all right. If it does get down here, I will put in a larger position. I do think we're going to go up, and this is just a very minor corrective wave. But again, GGPI, really, really like it. Solely because I know that hype is going to kill it. If you guys, I didn't put this on Benzinga, I don't think, but this was alerted in my private group chat. I know it looks like crap, but that's because we're on the daily time frame. But we got into bond. This is a low float Chinese IPO, and I am looking for another entry on this. If we could get down to that 934 area right here. We entered this at 739, I believe, which was right here, and this thing popped to approximately. I can't even see. Jesus Christ, that's why I need my computer. This thing popped to over $17. Yeah, a high of 1760, 155%. This was alerted in our Discord. I don't know if we could get that on GGPI, but I'm pretty confident that we can. I think GGPI has a lot of room to go, especially if we're so early into it. But bond, I am looking for a re-entry. I think this still has room to run. If we could tag my buy zone again, I will get into it. Made some really good money on it. Again, stock alerts. Oh, I see I alerted GGPI at 10.3. Bond, we got into this thing twice. One for 57% and one for 58%. I held some. I just wanted to make sure that the members weren't too greedy, because I know that people actually hold on to their shares and don't let go. So I closed it out, although I did hold a lot of it. I am still actually in some, but I want to add at 9.88. And for the trades today, if you guys were in my Discord, I'm not sure if we posted a free play, but we are in multiple trades. Snap was a huge winner. Roblox was a huge winner. Roku this one ended up paying, I believe, 60 something percent or 70%. I'm not too sure. The Roblox play that we swung yesterday paid, I believe, 37%. But if you guys are into this, simply just tap the link below on the description. We have alerts, well, technical analysis that we provide for free, as you can see here, or even the option sweep. Check it out if you have the chance. Let me know what tickers you guys want me to show you guys on callerputs.com. Maybe we could do that before we leave. We got 10 minutes. So just drop the tickers in the comment section, smash the like button, and we'll go ahead and look at the sweeps for you guys, and I'll let you guys know if the sweeps are good or not. Daniel Johnson, I remember you. I think you tuned in last Thursday, I believe. Or well, then again, we're still on Benzinga, so it's pretty obvious that some people will roll over. Hope you're doing well, Daniel Johnson. Forgot what we talked about last time. AVXL chart. Again, drop the ticker that you want me to look for option sweeps on, so I could look it up for you right now before I go. TAL, I will get into TAL because I was in that position before and I got out of it, but I've been eyeing a potential entry on it again. Workhorse, okay. AMC, all right. I don't really like to play science companies just because these are like very news dependent, but I mean, if we were going to enter this, I think we probably would have entered today. There's there's a gap fill here, and you have a rally base rally over here. So if I would have entered, I probably would have entered today when it dropped. But then again, it's hindsight. So you got to make sure that right here is a good entry, and you have the 20 DMA as support. Can this go higher? Let's see. I think this could potentially go higher, and honestly, you're not far from where I would have entered. I mean, this is only a what? Actually, never mind. That's a 14% move. But the man isn't too far from you. I think this is still a good play. Where would I target? I don't know because I don't think this. I think this is the highest it has ever been. This to me is not a play just because we've ran so much already, and I don't know anything about this company. 3, it's also a science company, which is very news dependent. So this is not a play for me. But if you are in it, good luck to you. And I'd probably place my stop loss underneath the demand level right here. Wait for the dip pass game. Yes, Daniel Johnson. I really like SoFi. CCIV, it ran up a lot, so I'm not really trying to get into it. Tau. All right, let's go in order. So Tau, I don't know if you wanted sweeps on it or if you wanted analysis, but for Tau, let's see if there's any golden sweeps for Tau. There's no golden sweeps for Tau, so that's that. Majority of the chance AI plays are bearish. Let's look at technicals. There's no golden sweeps. I like to, combine the golden sweeps with technicals. Oh, look at this. All right. So this could, it already dropped past my demand level. But this is a high probability reversal area. This is where A equals C in correction length. You see, the only thing with Tau is the fact that it's a freaking education company, and this thing has a crazy valuation, and it was a huge pump. It went from like nothing, like $2 to over $90. So I would love to take it again. I did play it, and it did pay. I believe I got like 20% off of it, not much. But I'd wait for something more with more clarity, just because this was obviously a huge pump. For a move like this, you're gonna have to apply some sort of log scaling to it to actually like know where a correction might be finished, but definitely not liking it. Daniel Johnson, I was actually thinking about taking my company public. I looked into the procedures of it. I believe you have to actually I think show profits for a good amount of quarters. I'm not sure if it was 4 quarters or 4 years. You do have to show profit or something of that sort, and it also costs a lot of money to take it public. Julius DeBerry, Newegg. Yeah, that was actually a topic. Actually very important. I hope you guys are adept in options trading. But Newegg honestly looks good for a short to me. and a member actually asked if they should short it, and I said, I like it for a short. However, and the reasoning for that is because I think this is actually wave one right here, in the form of a leading diagonal. This is probably the fifth wave of one in the form of a leading diagonal. So this is a correction. It's an obvious correction. Usually corrections move in threes. So if we were to plot, it'll probably be, I'm not sure, but I think that it will get to this 2981 level. It seems crazy. It seems crazy. But again, you're going to have people taking profits. And also, the only thing making me not take this trade, because I was debating on taking this trade, is that there's only 4 dates for the option chain. I believe it was like July. I believe it was July, August, and October. So I don't think it's worth the risk, and because the IV is insanely high. Although neg dropped today, I believe the puts also got hammered. I believe all the contracts, the IV is above 200. So even if you do get the move down, it still might get killed, especially if time is not on your side. I was thinking about selling a bear call spread on it, but even so, the reward, the risk and reward isn't the best. So I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna take this at all. Maybe if you short equity, but then again, with these type of stocks, it's like, damn, you don't want to get caught on the wrong side of it, as it could just jump like crazy. So I'm just not gonna take this trade at all. It was already too far to chase. I'm glad you didn't chase it, because technicals showed that it was gonna come down. I was just made aware of how much it ran today. I wish I knew earlier, but I do think it's going to come back down. The nearest level buy zone I see is 2981. Potentially get a bounce there. AMC and Workhorse. AMC actually had a golden put that came in the other day. There's no golden sweeps for it. Not sure when it was, but I remember that one of my my guys took a put. He was like, "Can you give your point of view on AMC 8635 puts?" He was in those puts because of a golden sweep. I said I remember seeing a golden put sweep on callsorputs.com, and he said exactly those are the puts. Don't be cheap. Trade with the right tools, as always. I forgot when it came in, but this thing came down hard. And you see, actually, another educational video for you guys. Everyone was like, AMC is going to go to the moon. AMC is going to go to the moon. And I hope you guys don't say, oh, FUD, FUD, FUD. Trade technicals, not hope. People were like, it's in a pennant. First of all, a pennant is non-directional. Honestly, nothing is actually directional. An ascending triangle could be bullish after a run up. Yes, that is correct. A pennant is non-directional. A descending triangle could be considered bearish, but no, it does not necessarily concrete mean that it's bearish. These are all setups that you have to analyze as it's going, and never, well, not never, but I don't trade breakouts of these. I only trade supply and demand. As you can see here, once it broke the demand level, we retraced with, let's not count today because again, the market was part of it. But we retraced 25%. So play levels and you guys would do a lot better off. Pennants, again, non-directional. Ascending triangle, it is quote-unquote directional, but you should never trade and have a bias just because the pattern says something. David Teves, look at you. Elliott wave, huh? Flat ABC correction. Could be. It could be. I don't know. You have to do a sub count on this. You would have to do a sub count on this to know if it's a potential ABC. Could it be? Yeah. But you have to do the sub count. See if you got a 335 here. Actually, let's see if here you see a clear 1, 2. Actually, maybe 1, 2, Maybe you could be right. David Teves. I could count three here. Three here. I'm just unsure if this is a one, two. I don't know if I could count fives here, but could be. It could be right. We did see volume come in here, so it could potentially be an ABC flat. Actually, I didn't even look at it like that, so thank you for bringing it up. Yes, I am still trading OTCs like AITX. I am still in AITX and Humble. The AITX, I am trying to see if it could possibly come back down to my demand zone over here. It's a very far stretch, but again, I'm not going to just constantly add onto a position just because I hope for it to do what I want it to. If it does come here, I will add again. Oh yeah, okay, I gotta go because it's 6:31. But wait, let me just make sure I got everyone. So Fubo shop. Let's see if we got any golden sweeps. Actually, just take a screenshot. Golden sweeps for Fubo shop. Actually, just take a screenshot right now. These are the golden sweeps for the day. What I like to do with sweeps is to pair it with technical analysis. Make sure you're not trading solely off of sweeps. You should never, ever do such a thing. You just want it in confluence with your technical analysis. Again, chance AI over one, pay a little more attention to it. Make sure you're also looking at size and volume and open interest. Don't just blindly take sweeps. Take a screenshot. I'm going to move on to the next page. Take a screenshot of that. This one I wouldn't even bother. Amazon puts for tomorrow. It could potentially hit. I don't know, but actually, now that I look at it, but then that's a large move that they're looking for. Next page. Make sure you take a screenshot. Well, actually, you could just look back at this replay again, but take a screenshot and take a screenshot here. But again, SPY, look at this. This was the perfect one. Chance AI above 1, 4.5, very, very rare. We said that it was in the one. It was in a consolidation phase. And we just absolutely ripped after that sweep hit the tape. This is exactly where and how you would apply sweeps. You know, you see it consolidate, potentially basing at this demand level. From there, you see a sweep that is $13 million and a chance AI of 4.5. That's gonna bring curiosity, and that's what makes you go long. From there, again, we got a 37-point move. That's how you use. Oh yes, please guys, follow me on Instagram at IamChanLo. It should be in the description below, but you know, IamChanLo. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on StockTwits, Twitter, everything. And my YouTube channel is in the link below if you guys want to check out the callsorputs.com platform or even join my Discord. The Discord is free. We do put free trades out there like BON. This runner, 150% runner, was alerted for free on the Discord server. So join, and I'll see you guys there. The Discord info is in the link below in the description. Thank you guys for joining. I'm going to enjoy my trip, probably go grab some dinner. But again, 6 p.m. EST every Thursdays. If you guys need analysis or whatsoever, just come back on. Again, just a short 30-minute video session trying to help people out. So, and obviously promote my products. I do promote my products. I am not here to, you know, BS you guys. I do have a product and I do try to sell it. It's callsorputs.com. I think our platform is superior. It's definitely cheaper. And the sweeps, I think they hit to the tape. I don't know how many, you know, SPY calls or puts you guys got on flow, algo, cheddar flow, or whatsoever. But SPY call hit the tape, 4.5 chance AI, and it ripped. You could check out everything else. Square, actually, we took today as well at 233. And I also want to play this into earnings. I think this is a great play. I think it printed a hammer today, but spot price 233 is currently at 235, highs of 238. But anyways, have a great day, guys. Smash the like button. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I hope you guys make a ton of freaking money, guys. Thank you.